Hey everybody! We're here today and we want to talk about Adam Hoots.
Yes.
Great advocate for us. And Adam is, well, I'll let you tell.
Yeah.
I'll let
Adam,
you say.
Well, Adam, our friend,
Yes.
he is a lean construction shepherd. I have to read this because there's so much.
He does so much.
Author, TEDx speaker. If you haven't seen that, you need to look at it. A graduate student of Clemson and
Yes.
a professor, and I think he's actually working on his PhD.
Yes.
And he also, if you probably most of you know him as the guy Hoots on the ground, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Hoots on the
Hoots on the ground. And
Podcast.
He's the podcast host on the Lean Build show.
Yes.
So that's a little bit about him. Now Christy's going to share a little bit more about why we love him.
So he's my friend. Actually, he's everybody's friend. He is a great author of innovation. He's a great advocate for women in the industry. Anything that has anything to do with construction, Adam is like the biggest cheerleader.
Yes.
But not just construction. He's a brother. He's a friend. We love him.
Yes.
He's always just the biggest cheerleader for all of us. We're involved with an event called Women Confidence Builders. Has nothing to do with construction, and Adam has been there at every single event.
Yes.
And he's even spoken a few times because he's so well spoken. He knows what he's talking about. He's very sincere, authentic, and vulnerable about how much our industry needs. But today, we love him so much that we are coming to you to ask for a favor.
Yes.
Adam needs a kidney. And we really need to get this out into the public. Please share this video with everybody that you know, because if there's a match for Adam, we want to be able to figure out who that is and get them connected with the right people. So a couple of resources, right? So the first resource is the United Network for Organ Sharing. United Network for Organ Sharing, UNOS. There's a website. If you go to that, very clear on how to do that. A lot of data there about organ transplants. I didn't know anything about it until going to this website. Very informational. So if you're even considering it, would love to help somebody who needs a kidney. We would love for you to help Adam Hoots because he's a friend and a brother. But also there's another resource.
Yeah. And then also locally, a transplant coordinator at Prisma Health. Her name's Beth and her phone number is 864-455-1772. She can also help you with either his match, like the steps, or with another match. And by the way, we're going to put all this information below in our comments and in the post, so you will be able to see it there too.
Yes. And then his story from 9 years ago. He's already had one kidney transplant, almost died, and he is there now. He's in dialysis on several hours a week right now. Yeah. 2 small kids in his 30s, just making a huge impact on the world, not just on our industry.
I think it's 3.
3? Oh, that's right. Sorry. He's got 3 kids and a beautiful wife.
Yes.
And we just really want to help him. So if you would like to share this video with all the people that you know, we would really appreciate it so that we can get our friend Adam some
And we wanted
support.
to mention too his book.
He's got a new book out.
A new book that he did with
the old dog, something like that.
We love it.
Yes.
So also support him in this way and buy his book.
Yes. Actually, he has 2, doesn't he? Or is this the first one for him?
I don't know. This is the one I know about. So.
Okay. Okay. All right. So please, Buddy Brumley, Adam Hoots wrote a book on the old dog and lean thesaurus. I don't care to say that word. But thesaurus, whatever. That. Thesaurus. Yeah, she said it right. But great book, has a lot of impact on the industry. And really, really good tips and tricks for us who are in the industry who don't understand what lean is. So.
Oh, it can be any industry. It could be manufacturing,
that's true.
whatever.
Lean is needed in every business.
It's needed in every business, so check it out.
Yes, check it out.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
and please
so
donate.
much for sharing. Bye.